For practice it self-check 4.2 logical expressions 1, we are given the following variable declarations, and we are asked what are the results of the following relational expressions. First we have x is equal to 4. This is going to be true. Next we have x is equal to y. This is not true since since x is 4 and y is negative 3. Therefore this is false. Next we have x is equal to z. This is true because x is 4 and z is 4. If it has one equal signs, that can be inferred to as an is. This is basically saying the integer x is 4, the integer y is negative 3, and the integer z is 4. If we have these double equal signs, that means we are checking if these two things are the same. So next we have, is x the same as z? X is the same as z since they're both 4. So this is true. Next we have y double equal z. This is not going to be true since y is a negative 3 and z is 4. So this is false. Next we have x plus y has to be greater than 0. X is equal to 4. Y is equal to a negative 3. This is going to be a 1, and that is greater than 0. So this is true. Next we have x minus z cannot equal 0. Well, x is 4 and z is 4. These two being subtracted from each other is going to give us a 0. Since this says it cannot equal 0, this is going to give us a false. Next we have y times y has to be less than or equal to z. Well, y is negative 3, so a negative 3 times a negative 3 is going to give us a positive 9. This is greater than our z, which is 4, so this is also going to be false. Next we have y divided by y is equal to 1. This is true because we're negative 3 divided by a negative 3 is going to give us a 1. Next we have x times y plus 2. So first we're going to be in our parentheses. Y plus 2 is going to give us a negative 1 times our x is 4, so we're going to have a negative 4 on this side. We have negative 4, then this has to be greater than whatever is on this side. So we're going to start out in our parentheses again. Y plus z is going to be 1 because our y is negative 3 and our z is 4. So we have 1 here being multiplied by 2, so now all of this is going to be 2, and then we are subtracting this from a negative 3 because y is negative 3. So we have negative 2 minus 3, or negative 3, because this is the negative 3, minus 2. This is going to give us a negative 5. If we have both of these out right here, we know that negative 4 is greater than negative 5, so this is going to give us a true. If we submit this, we have passed all 9 tests. And this is the answer for Practice It Self-Check 4.2.